Welcome back to Sailing Soluna. This is an exciting one today. We're finally showing you the inside of the boat now the refit is completed.
We're very proud of it. We can't wait to show you. So for those who have been watching for a while, you'll know how far this boat has come once you see it.
The outside's not fully done yet. We still need to paint it and clean some things up, but the inside is fully livable now.
And it's so comfy. It's like a proper home. It's not a house, it's not a boat, it's a home now. So.
A floating home.
We even have flowers.
They've died a little bit, but
it's okay.
We do. Okay, let's go.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What are you doing?
I'm pouring us some coffee in our nice finished kitchen. And I thought I would say that, but it's done. We finished it.
So why don't you give us a little tour then?
We've got some new tiles here.
Nice.
This is gone from that horrible red colour. We've got a kettle and a toaster.
With power hooked up to the inverter, so we can run one of these at each time. So we can run the kettle. New coffee station.
This is my favourite part, the coffee shelf.
We've got the seasoning station.
We had a tiny little sink, and now we have a proper one. And it's not rusting through the bottom like the one was before. And also, actually, this is probably my favourite part, the tap, because it's movable and it's so much bigger. The one we had before was here.
We've actually replaced the whole bench that was rotten.
It was actually, yeah, it was rotten.
And why don't boats have big sinks? So they don't waste water. Why do we have a big sink?
We have a water maker.
It's in a great spot. This also turns into another single bed. We've also gone through and recarpeted Scary Alley and taken the mattress out because that's where the water maker sits. Now we're in the main room, which is quite cozy actually. Massive bed, it's a queen, it's bigger than a queen.
It's actually really comfy in here. It's nice because it's so cozy. It's like a massive bed, but also it's like cozy.
It's like a little hidey hole.
It is.
And it stays really clean because it's at the back of the boat. So you only go here to sleep.
We've got these storage things as well here, which we put all the vinyl in. If you probably remember, because that was quite a while ago now, that was the first thing we did. And this has all been carpeted by old Danny.
Oh, and the floor.
And the floor.
I don't know if we ever had a video of the floor.
Yeah, the floor was disgusting. How much better is it? I don't know what that is. Taddy's eating a caterpillar.
So the floor is heaps nice, huh?
So much better.
So it feels like
better.
it feels like a nice home now.
It does.
Sarah's done really well on the curtains. There's also charging points on either side.
And also you can go out the top like. Ow! I'm outside now. This is my favourite window to climb out of. What are you doing down there?
We've got new floor and it's nice enough to lay on.
Look at this. It is so stunning. We've finally got the floor. And that's what I've been excited about the whole time. I go on about that in every single video if you watch them.
It was the last step.
So that's the best bit. Well, one of the best bits. There's so many best bits I don't even know which one's my favourite.
Should I show them?
I like the seating area. This is the seating area. This is where I do my work. Nice. Nice and clean. What did you do to the wood? What did you do?
So all the timber's been stained and rejuvenated. Table's been restored. Show 'em the navigator's board. The charging station.
The charging station. The black bit. I obviously wasn't going to do the charging station.
We can have all the chargers hooked up at the same time. We've also got the Starlink mounted in now full time, and the battery runs it full time now, so that's pretty exciting, isn't it? What do you want to show them next? I know.
Come through here.
Show you where the magic happens.
The floor, once again, goes all the way out.
Nice. The floor looks good.
It is continuous room to room. Okay, in here.
The TV room, and this had a bit of water damage, so we've replaced all the timber.
All the timber's been sanded and stained and replaced if it needs to be.
Yes, and usually here you have another single bed, but because there's only two of us, we only need 2 bedrooms, one for the TV and one to sleep. So here we've changed it into our fridge, and you also have an option to put another small little mattress up there if you have more people, but for us, we like food. So here's our fridge section where we keep everything. And this
is our EcoFlow fridge. It's actually been such a great choice because, right, it's got this divider here. And usually it sits here, but we keep it too full, so we can't always keep it in. But this one goes down the slots, and on each side you can have it as a fridge or you can have it as a freezer, and I think it's something like 20 degrees different that you can have them. But also it's 55 litres, so we have a lot of space in it. But the best thing about this fridge is this bit.
And this is the removable battery, which means that it can run up to 48 hours.
42 hours.
42 hours on this battery. So when we were renovating and we were doing the battery system, we had to disconnect all the power, obviously, and we didn't want all our food to go off. So we were so lucky we had this fridge because it didn't turn off.
It runs independently from the main power.
And there's also loads of storage under each one of these boxes.
Also, what did you do here?
It's all been carpeted, nice new carpet. Sirocco fan in here when it gets a bit hot, but you actually get a lot of airflow.
Now I'm going to show you the toilet.
This has come a long way. I think this would be the best before and after video.
Yeah, I think so.
So, it's not the worst place to go to the toilet.
I don't like this. I think we need some sort of cover. But also, I was thinking if we have a curtain down here, the light's not going to come through anymore, so it would then make it really dark.
Here is the bathroom. Simple, new sink, much nicer. The old sink.
Oh,
the old sink in town.
I forgot how bad the old sink was, but that was probably the most disgusting thing.
And the bench was green, I'm pretty sure. And this is our storage room. So, as you can see, there's not really supposed to be much order in it, but ropes, spare sails, fenders, anything you can think of that you don't want to see goes in that room right there. This is where I've consumed a lot of time, and I'm glad to not go in there anymore. But this is our electrical system. So we've got one solar charger here that runs one of the panels as a backup. We have our inverter remote here, so that turns on our switches. And then we've got our 3000 watt inverter, so plenty of power and capacity to run practically anything we want. All fused properly. In here is our Renogy battery, the 50 amp charge DC-DC charger which sits under here. That's our 50 amp Renogy DC-DC charger with solar input, so that's putting 50 amps of charge in off the motor when it's running. 240 amp lithium battery. I'm sure you can probably remember our battery issues which we've had a lot, but now we have some more solar panels which bring in enough energy to charge our battery, which means we can run the Starlink all the time. We're going to show you the solar panels. They're the new Shadow Flux 200 watt solar panels. There's one on each side of the Dodger, and there's two up where the other ones used to be. We used to have 4 100 watt solar panels. Now these two replace exactly what we had before, and these two double it. And now we can actually walk through here without hitting our heads on the solar panel, which is really cool. Also, people told me that I can't do this, but I can do anything I want. We're making a vegetable garden right at the front of the boat. Don't know how well they're gonna last with the salt, but I'm gonna give it a crack. Danny made this beautiful box out of like every scrap piece that I had left. So now we've got 8 pots for our vegetables. So we're gonna have fresh chilies, might do some spring onion. What else are we gonna have? Tomatoes. Our tomatoes get quite big though. If you have any ideas what I could put in here, let me know. That's a great idea. We might eventually get like a plastic sheet or something to go over it, or put it somewhere else. Well, it's not screwed down, so we're gonna move it around and figure out what we want to do. But yes, if you have any ideas what we want to plant, let us know. Thank you so much to everyone who's helped us along the way. You guys have made a massive difference, and we definitely couldn't have done it without you, so thank you so much. We really appreciate it. I still have some Sri Lanka videos to show you, especially the safari that I went on, which was so sick. So next week we're gonna do a little recap of what Danny's been doing whilst I was gone, and a little bit of what I was doing whilst I was away. Bye. See you next Monday. Back to adventures. Hi.
Oh, your feet are gross.
Whoa. Whoa.
Tazzy. Ben, look. Excuse me.